Hey guys, and welcome back to this special Singapore vlog. Singapore is one of my favourite places to visit and also shop for skincare, as they have everything from K-beauty, J-beauty, French skincare and so much more. So I wanted to give you a guided tour on the best places to visit in Singapore for shopping, as well as a few of my favourite places that we love to take a trip to every time we go. So give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let's get right into the video. Okay, let's start with Orchard Road. This, I would say, is the most popular with tourists as it's very central. Here you will find lots of shopping malls, big and small, full of high-end designer and high street brands. If you're on the lookout for the more premium beauty brands, then I would recommend the department store Takashimaya. This is the most impressive department store I've ever been in, and here you can find everything from good food, beauty, clothes and homeware. Then my next favourite place is the shopping mall Ion on Orchard. Head to the lower levels for beauty shops including Sephora, Guardian and Watsons. Guardian and Watsons are the main drugstores here in Singapore, and you can pick up all your K-beauty and J-beauty skincare favourites, as well as a variety of other well-known skincare brands. I am like a kid in a candy store when it comes to visiting these two shops, as the choice is endless and there's always an offer to be found. I will link the YouTube shorts that I've done down below on the skincare that I picked up on this trip if you're interested. Moving on to Vivo City Shopping Centre. This is located right opposite Sentosa Island, and here you will find all your high street favourites including Bath and Body Works, H&M and Lululemon, as well as one of my favourite skincare and wellness shops called Fair Price Extra. This shop is huge and full of supplements, groceries and skincare. Again, this houses all the well-known K-beauty, J-beauty and international beauty brands, and it's truly a one-stop shop for all things health and beauty. I also recommend, while you're over this way, visiting Sentosa Island. The last time we came here, we actually stayed on the island and it was so beautiful. Here you'll find beaches, food, Universal Studios and golf courses, as well as a few casino hotels. You can also take a cable car or walk the boardwalk from the mainland over to the island too. Okay, let me take you right back into the centre and to a hidden Japanese skincare gem called Welcia BHG. Located in the Orchard Road MRT station, this shop is filled to the brim with Japanese beauty favourites and is not to be missed if you're a beauty lover like me. Discover new Japanese skincare favourites, sheet masks galore and an impressive SPF lineup. I will link the haul of some of the best J-beauty products I recommend and that I picked up from here, because from the outside this shop can look super overwhelming on where to even begin, but it's definitely worth the trip. Staying on Orchard, and another Japanese must-visit store is called Tokyu Hands. This is a famous Japanese department store with a wide range of lifestyle and beauty products to choose from. There is a few of these dotted around, located in Orchard Central Shopping Mall, The Jewel and Suntec City, and this is just another wonderful place to stock up on your J-beauty and lifestyle faves. Finally, in Orchard, a must visit is Daiso, the Japanese dollar store. This houses everything a lifestyle, food, organisation and beauty related, all at affordable prices. I love checking out this store and discovering all of the interesting beauty tools and accessories and what's new and just worth picking up to try. Okay, let me take you to the most breathtaking part of Singapore, and that is Marina Bay Sands. This hotel is one of the iconic buildings that stands out in Singapore, that also houses a huge shopping mall, rooftop pool and bar, casino, theatre and gardens attached to it. I would highly highly recommend putting this at the top of your list of places to visit, just for the amount of things you can do here. The shops at Marina Bay Sands have a ton of high-end designer boutiques, as well as fantastic restaurants to eat at. And just like the Venetian in Vegas, this shopping mall has a canal running through it if you fancy discovering the mall by water. This hotel is without a doubt one of my favourite hotels to stay in and visit, because it really has that luxury Vegas hotel vibe to it, and the views from the top are truly breathtaking. Okay, there's just a few more places I want to take you to before we end this guided tour, and that is Raffles. This popular tourist destination is an awe-inspiring oasis located right in the heart of the city. Head to the Long Bar for a Singapore sling and take in the colonial vibes and atmosphere. The hotel is decorated in history, and the building itself is an interior design lover's dream. A little bit out of the central city is Joo Chiat, a must visit that has a vibrant mix of Singapore history, trendy cafes, farmers markets and shopping boutiques. Make Koon Sung Road your first stop for quite possibly the most beautiful street in Singapore that also has a ton of history attached to it. This area is the perfect place to pick up a coffee and just wander around, taking in the old and new history and colour. There's also some great shops here if you're after something a little bit different. So the best ways we found to get around Singapore is using the MRT, which is the tram, and also the bus. Both are well signposted and they're just very cheap and easy to use. Finally, if you have the time or you can get to the airport early, then the iconic Jewel located in Terminal 1 of Changi Airport is a huge shopping mall combining a ton of well-known shops, dining and entertainment. This is before immigration and security, so anyone can visit, and I actually think this is worth going on a separate day before travelling, as there is just so much to see and do. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you found this helpful as well if you ever get a chance to visit. Singapore is one of my favourite places to travel to, and I've only touched the surface on what you can discover and experience here, but I hope for now this gives you a bit of inspiration on the best places to shop and visit if you ever get the chance to come here. This city is truly magical and definitely has a place in my heart. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community. I hope you all have a wonderful start to your weekend, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye!